You shouldn't have to choose between losing weight, crushing your protein goals, and eating a massive pint of ice cream. These 5 Ninja Creami recipes let you do all 3. Every single one packs 45 grams of protein and tastes like the real stuff. Frosted Circus Crunch, peanut butter fudge, s'mores, berry burst, and the last one, cinnamon toast crunch. It tastes like your morning cereal and your bedtime dessert at the same exact time. Let's go. Before we spin anything, we need the base. This is the foundation for all 5 flavors. Here's what goes in, and more importantly, why. 2% ultra-filtered milk. I'm using this one from Sam's Club, and it's important that you're using ultra-filtered milk because it has 50% more protein and 40% less sugar than regular milk. If you want less calories, go ahead and use Fairlife's fat-free milk. 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream protein powder. I'm using this one from Optimum Nutrition. Really good deal if you buy this big bag at Costco. I find that it adds a nice vanilla ice cream taste without adding too much sugar while giving you 24 grams of protein. Half teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. And if you don't have vanilla bean paste, vanilla extract works as well. I find that if you're looking for that premium ice cream taste, using the vanilla bean paste is the way to go. 1/4 of a teaspoon of xanthan gum. Because we're using a lower fat milk, we need something to make this ice cream nice and thick, and that'll be the job of the xanthan gum. You want your ice cream creamy, not icy, so don't skip this step. And lastly, a pinch of salt, and this will really bring out the vanilla flavor in the ice cream. Give it a good mix. You can use a blender, immersion blender, but I'm using this milk frother you can get at Amazon right here. Now put it in the freezer for at least 24 hours. Now we got our base, let's make our ice cream. First up, Frosted Circus Crunch. Take your frozen base, spin it on the light ice cream setting, and now we'll add in rainbow sprinkles, animal cookies, and mini M&Ms. Make sure you break up the animal cookies, toss everything in the middle, hit the mix in button, and there you go. Tastes like you're cheating, but you're not. Next up, the Berry Burst. Same base, light ice cream setting, and we're going 60 grams of frozen mixed berries. Mix that in, and there you go. This one's really refreshing. You get chunks of fruit throughout your ice cream, and tastes really good. If you're liking these recipes so far, join my membership to skip the wait. You'll get early access to every new video I post. Peanut butter fudge swirl. Spin the base, add in 28 grams of mini peanut butter cups, mix that in, and now we'll slowly work in some chocolate fudge sauce using a knife. And we're doing this because if we added the fudge in with the mix in, it would turn the whole pint brown. And there you go. Peanut butter, chocolate, and vanilla. This one tastes really good. S'mores creamy. This one I make on days I really want dessert, but I know I shouldn't. So I make this instead. Same result, none of the damage. Spin the base. I'm using these s'mores bark and these mini vanilla marshmallow bits. Toss that into the middle. Hit the mix in button, and there you go. You get that classic s'mores taste in every bite. Super good. Last one, and this one you're gonna wanna make every single night. The Cinnamon Toast Crunch Creamy. Same base, light ice cream setting, throw in some Cinnamon Toast Crunch and some cinnamon sugar. Mix that in, and there you go. Optionally, you could top it with more cinnamon sugar. I'm putting all the recipes in the description below. And if you want to eat ice cream every single night and still hit your weight loss goals, join my email list. I send out exclusive high-protein, low-calorie Ninja Creami recipes so you can satisfy your sweet tooth without blowing your macros.